Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel intro with your photos. First, select a video editing program like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, which offers robust keyframing and visual effects capabilities. Next, gather between 20 and 30 high-quality images that you wish to feature in your intro. Finally, acquire a Marvel-esque font, such as Bibaz New, and some impactful sound effects to enhance your project. Now, let's focus on selecting and sequencing your photos. Pick images that are visually striking and have a clear focal point to maximize impact. Arrange them in an order that tells a mini-story or builds excitement. For that classic Marvel feel, aim for a quick succession, with each photo displayed for approximately 1/2 second, creating a fast-paced, energetic montage that grabs attention immediately. Next, we'll dive into animation and visual effects. Apply a slight zoom-in or pan to each photo, giving it subtle movement rather than a static appearance. Introduce a rapid, white flash transition between images to mimic the iconic comic book panel effect. Finally, apply a dark, cinematic color grade across all your footage to achieve that signature Marvel look, ensuring visual consistency throughout your intro. Finally, let's perfect your intro with text and sound design. Craft the classic Marvel Studios title card using your selected font, ensuring it stands out boldly. Animate this title card with a dramatic reveal, perhaps a quick burst or a slow, powerful emergence. Crucially, synchronize impactful sound effects, like whooshes and thuds, with your visual transitions, and layer a heroic, orchestral music track to complete the immersive, cinematic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.